Welcome. This is your time, a doorway into stillness, into mystery, into the vast space within you. Find a quiet place, sit or lie comfortably, and let us begin. Close your eyes. Take a slow breath in through your nose and release it gently through your mouth. Again, inhale deeply as though you are drawing in starlight itself, and exhale, releasing all weight, all worries into the night. With every breath, imagine you are breathing not just air, but life itself, a shimmering current of energy. And with each exhale, what is heavy, what no longer belongs, fades into the dark. Now, bring your awareness gently into your body. Feel your feet resting upon the ground as if the earth is holding you. Your legs softened, your hands growing warm and still. Your shoulders melting downward, your face calm, serene, without effort. Notice how beneath the quiet of the body, a deeper silence is waiting, timeless, infinite. Let your mind drift as though you're stepping through a hidden doorway. Behind this doorway, there is no rush, no noise, no demands, only space, only presence, only the eternal now. Every breath is a bridge carrying you deeper into this realm of calm. With each inhale, you rise. With each exhale, you dissolve. Thoughts may appear like clouds moving across the sky. Do not resist them. Do not chase them. Simply notice them. Bow to them and let them pass, carried away by the wind of your breath. Return to the stillness that is always here. Return to the watcher behind the eyes, the listener behind the ears, the presence that simply is. Now sense the space around you. It is vast, endless, yet intimate. Perhaps you imagined it as a soft glow, perhaps as a starry sky, perhaps as a silence itself. Allow yourself to rest in this mystery. Let it hold you. Let it heal you. Let it remind you that you are not separate from it. You are it. Take one more deep breath in, filling yourself with light, and slowly exhale, grounding yourself in peace. Wiggle your fingers and toes gently, awakening your body once more. When you're ready, open your eyes. Carry this calm, this mystery, this radiant stillness with you into the rest of your day.